Shalom. I'm from grade 4 Mubatu. I'm reading a book. The title of the book is The Early Bird. The sun was shining. Early bird hopped out of bed. He went to the bathroom and washed his face. Early bird brushed his teeth and combed his feathers. Then he put on his blue sailor suit. Look at what Early bird ate for breakfast. Why don't you find a worm to play with? Mommy bird said. What is a worm? Asked Early bird. A worm wiggles and lives in a hole in the ground, said Mommy bird. So Early bird went out to find a worm. Are you a worm? Asked Early bird. No, said a bug on a flower. I am a ladybug. Are you a worm? Asked Early bird. No, I am a frog, said a fat fellow on a log. Worms live in holes. Early bird saw something in the ground. Are you a worm? Asked Early bird. I'm not a worm, said Bunny Rabbit. Worms wriggles all over. Go look in the garden. In the garden, Early bird saw a wiggly thing. Hello worm, Early bird asked. Early bird said. You mean hello mouse tail, said Freddy's real mouse. Then he scraped back into his hole. Early bird began to cry. What's the matter? Said a funny fellow. I can't find a worm, said Early bird. Don't cry, said the fellow. There's a worm right over there. Just hop over and pull him out. Early bird took the worm in his beak and pulled, but the worm was stuck in his hole. Give a big pull, Early bird. True. Why it is you, said Early bird. That's right, said the fellow. My name is Wiggly Worm. The sun was going down. Early bird had to hurry home for supper. Come with me, said Early bird. All the way home, Wiggly Worm and Early bird play jump worm. They had a good supper. Wiggly Worm ate a lot of peas. Daddy gave Early bird and Wiggly Worm a piggyback ride upstairs. Early bird took his bag with a sailboat. Wiggly Worm took his bag with his hat on. Time to go to sleep. Early bird go into bed. Wiggly Worm went to bed in the flower pot. Good night, Wiggly Worm. Good night, Early bird.